Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the edge of the boreal forest. Today is March 4th, 2024, and we are experiencing our second major winter storm. We're actually on the tail end of it right now. The sun is trying to peek out, and it is still snowing a bit, but we're almost to the end of it. It started snowing for the most part yesterday in the better part of Saskatchewan, and quite a few places got a really big dump of snow. And we didn't have snow start here until yesterday at noon, and I was at work at that time, and by the time I come home at 7 o'clock, there was quite a bit of snow on the ground. Papa had already cleaned the driveway in the late afternoon, and by the time I got home at about 7:15, there was 4 more inches of snow on the ground. So we have gotten quite a bit of snow. Old Man Winter has definitely said, you know what? Your false spring is over. And those pussy willows came out way too early. And here we are. Here's your winter in March. So I'm not exactly sure how much snow we did get, but we're gonna go take a look around here pretty quick. But we have a few things we have to take care of first. And number one, that's the stove. The stove is the main priority today. And then on to moving some snow. Even though it is still snowing, I want to try and move as much as I can because it will make it easier for later on. So we'll see. Is this the end of this 2-day storm, winter storm? Or is it just letting up a bit and then it's going to rear its ugly head again? We'll have to see. But anyways, I've got to get going and get some chores done. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of snow to take off of this deck today. Well, if it's any indication as to how much snow we got, there was no snow at the beginning of the snowstorm on these benches here. I would say a good 6 to 8 inches of snow. It's hard to tell. Some places it's rolling off the top of the house, so then there's going to be more in the corners there, but I would say a good 6 to 8 inches of snow. For the most part, the ground in my garden is covered, so yep, let's go get our stuff done and we'll find out. Is that for baby sister? Come watch Dad.
Mommy.
Look at. Oh, he's stuck. Can he back up? Uh-oh.
No.
There he goes. Give her. No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no is right.
Oh no.
Oh, there he goes.
Daddy. Oh no, Daddy.
He's stuck. Watch out, guys. Oh, she's still blowing. Blowing quite a bit. Forward. Okay, so we have it pulled forward. We'll get some wood here. It'll have to be from the pile. We'll start down here. Still there? Okay, we'll go get a few more. It's pretty windy today. This one's pretty heavy. Yeah, this one's pretty heavy. Okay, I gotta take you down off your perch here. Okay, so I got it filled. It's a little bit hard because of course it's windy and it's really, really cold. And I'm not the strongest person, so it's difficult to get those bigger ones thrown in there. So I got that done. Not sure if I like the point of view for you because it gets in the way of me throwing the wood into the stove, but maybe we'll have to find a different way. So looks like it's gonna go. I'm gonna shut her up here and I'm gonna go back to the house. Wind is so cold. Yeah. Quite a bit more snow than what we had. Oops. Oh, there's lots of snow there, eh, Nugent? I think I'd prefer to take the snow out towards the edge of the deck, because when I go down the steps, the more I go down, the deeper it gets, because it's really hard to lift the snow up and over the hedges. All right, so I got the deck cleaned off and it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna have some lunch, and this will be the hard part. So I'm gonna have a rest and then I'm gonna come back out and finish shoveling the snow. All right, it's in the afternoon and I'm still moving snow. So we'll keep going. Okay. Oh, that's hard work. I think I made it to the bottom step. So basically what's going to happen from there is Pop is going to have to bring the tractor and backblade it, because there's no way I'm moving the rest of that snow beyond the hedges. So he's definitely going to need the tractor today instead of the side-by-side. I'll break it to him through text. So Papa decided that he was just going to use the side-by-side the best he could, because the tractor is buried in the shop behind two other vehicles, so he's going to see what he can do with the side-by-side, I guess. See what it's got. Yeah, that's a lot of snow. Sorry. That's a lot of snow. Okay.